Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by shaping your inbox so decisions are fast. Enable focused inbox to separate priority messages. This reduces noise. Next, create 3 folders: Action, Waiting, and Archive, and move items accordingly to force immediate choices. Once done, schedule a 15-minute daily triage block. Treat it like a meeting so it happens. Make sure to use keyboard shortcuts for quick moves because speed keeps your system sustainable and prevents backlog. Now automate repetitive sorting so your attention stays on work. Create rules to route newsletters, invoices, team threads, manager messages, and receipts into appropriate folders automatically. This reduces manual filing. Then apply categories and color coding to surface project context at a glance. Once rules run, make flagged items surface in your to-do bar so nothing is missed. Also, add exceptions for key contacts so critical mail still lands in focused inbox. Finish by locking the routine into a review habit. Each day, spend 5 minutes clearing your action folder to 0 or converting entries into calendar tasks so nothing lingers. Use search folders to monitor flagged, waiting, and unresolved items. This gives a clean dashboard. If mail starts misrouting, rebuild your offline OSD file or reapply and test rules. That usually fixes sync or rule order issues. Make sure to back up custom rules before large changes, so recovery is quick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.